Hi everyone, my name is Manuel Montoya, and this fall I'm going to be teaching a course called Cards Dissect Humanity, Global Awareness and Engagement. The course is designed to get students interested in globalization or international studies or global political economy to hone their skills and to add depth to the study of their planetary issues or any related issues. Some key questions that I like to ask in the class. How do issues become global in the first place? And what's global about these issues? Can you identify and analyze at least five major global issues with some depth? How do you use stories and myths or popular culture to understand how humans think big about planet Earth? And what sort of methods do you have to study the planet? I've developed a card-based system called Terra Prime that is designed to get people to add depth and layering in an organized way. And it's a really fun way to understand and excavate some of the problems that we study in a global environment. I invite you to take the class. I think it's going to be one of your favorite experiences next semester if you take it. And don't hesitate to call on me if you need anything. Details are located below in the course description. Thank you.